Hello traders, in this video I'll be answering a question that most traders ask themselves. Alright, what are volatility 1S indices and what is the difference? What is the difference between volatility 10 1S and 25 1S? What is the difference between 50 1S and 75 1S? And which volatility is the best to trade, or how should you trade them? That is what I'll be answering in this video, alright? So let us start from the beginning. Now in Deriv, I have the volatility index 10 1S, 25 1S, 50 1S, 75 1S and 101S are synthetic indices generated using secure algorithms, as I stated in the previous videos. Okay, now these indices simulate market behavior with different levels of volatility, and they update every 1 second. Okay, if you have watched the first video I made, I said that volatility 1S updates every 1 second, and the normal volatility updates every 2 seconds. So that, which now the good thing about this is volatility 1S ends up being more suitable and fast paced. Okay, now let us go to the summary for volatility indices. Okay, now listen carefully. The numbers 10, 25, 50, 75 and 100 indicate increasing volatility levels. Alright? 10 1S is very low in volatility and has a slow price movement. Okay? Yeah, 10 1S is very low. Now, I want you to understand the difference between volatility 10, 25, 50, 75 and 100. Alright? Now, for volatility 10, the volatility or the price movement in volatility 10 is low, or the movement of the chart is very, very low. Okay? Volatility simply means the change. Okay? Volatility 25 1S has a very low volatility but has a smoother trend. It has a smooth trend. Okay? Volatility 50 1S has a balanced behavior. Alright? So it is neither moving fast nor slow, it is balanced. Now, volatility 75 1S has a high volatility and strong bursts. Okay, strong bursts basically mean, okay, if you've ever looked at a candle chart, okay, if you end up seeing a very long green candle or a very long red candle, that indicates a burst. Alright, so volatility 75 has very strong bursts and high volatility. Many traders usually like to trade volatility 75, especially in the MetaTrader. Alright, and then we have volatility 100 1S. Now, volatility 100 1S is very high in volatility. Its movement is so much. Okay, the price movement, the movement of the chart is so high, and it has a very rapid movement. The rapid movement in volatility 100 1S is off the charts. Okay, so that is basically the difference between 10 1S, 25 1S, 50 1S, 75 1S, and 100. Okay, and if you need this document, please, after the class, my WhatsApp number is in the description. Please feel free to contact me. Now, the behavior and strategy tips. Okay, now since you have understood the differences, now what is the behavior and strategy tips that you should apply? Okay, now each volatility index behaves differently. Here's how they typically perform. Now, for volatility 10 1S, it is best for beginners, safe bots, and slow trends. Alright, yeah, basically markets that don't have a lot of trends. Okay, if you need good bots, safe bots, WhatsApp me. Once again, my number is in the description. Now for 25 1S, it is slightly faster and it is good for semi-passive strategies. Basically, strategies that do not require a lot of reconnaissance, or strategies that do not require a lot of analysis. Alright, 50 1S. 50 1S has a balanced movement, so it is basically perfect for technical indicators. Now, this 50 1S is perfect for markets like rise and fall, call and put, high and lower, and so on. Okay, yeah, so that is the benefit of 50 1S. 75 1S, on the other hand, has a high momentum and works with spikes, scalping or trend bots. If you have trend bots, you can use 75 1S. Again, if you need this, my WhatsApp number is in the description. And then you have volatility 100 1S. 100 1S is extremely fast and suitable only for advanced. In 100 1S, ensure you use only the strategy that you understand deeply, because this market moves really fast. Okay, I want you to understand this volatility so that you can use it to your advantage. Okay, so if you're a beginner, please focus on 10 1S. If you have understood a strategy but you're not good at it, use 25 1S. If you're trading rise and fall, or basically using candles to trade 50 1S. Okay, and if you're using scalping or trend bots, use 75 1S. And if you're looking for a good market that is extremely fast, use 100 1S. All right. Now, trader recommendations. Guys, if you're a beginner, focus on volatility 10 1S and 25 1S. If you're an intermediate trader, focus on 50 1S and 75 1S. And if you're advanced, please focus on volatility 100 1S. Okay, remember, lower numbered indices offer more stable price action, ideal for conservative strategies. Okay, they are more favored. Even if you're advanced and you want to trade safely, you can trade volatility 1S and 25, because in those markets, you can really make a good profit. Okay, yeah, so focus on the lower numbers. If you believe yourself, you can go with the higher ones. Now, important notes: all indices tick every 1 second, 24/7. these markets do not close. And please choose the volatility based on your bot logic, risk tolerance, and trading experience to avoid incurring a loss. Remember, the higher the volatility, the higher the risk, and the higher the reward. If you need this document, WhatsApp me. My WhatsApp number is in the description. I'll give it to you. Otherwise, guys, thank you very much for watching this video. If you have any question, please feel free to WhatsApp me. Classes are ongoing, so if you need a class, please WhatsApp me also. And yeah, I hope to hear feedback from you. Comment in the comment section if you have anything that you want to comment, or if you feel you want to contribute something, and I will appreciate you. Otherwise, guys, please make sure to subscribe and turn on that notification bell so that you don't miss out whenever we upload a new video. Otherwise, guys, thank you very much for watching this video, and let us meet in the next one. Thank you.